Now, here's the other one. A sneaky one in this sector is CF. Now, you can look at this and be clearly like, what are you talking about? He said, don't buy stocks going down. We're not buying it yet. We're paying attention. We're putting this in our tracking journal. Look at the expansion in volume above the average volume in CF and during this pause, but especially the last 3 days. Bullish gap, 3 out of 4 of the last 4 days bullish, and an increase in volume. Okay, sneaky. Bearish to neutral at best, but volumes increasing, a classic sign of accumulation. But this is important here. No trade yet, but one for the tracking journal. Now, again, this is something that's very important that we get asked all the time. Why am I missing my trades? Why am I missing these good ideas? It's because you need to have 2 different journals. Again, Google Doc, hard, wherever you want to write it. It's not a lot of work. CF into the tracking journal. If CF breaks above 60, what's that price? 87.50, give me a call. So what you would do on your software, and we'll pull this up over here just to give you a little bit better version of it. So we can clearly see it's kind of going sideways. And now it's in our rotation. We just want to be like, okay, that's interesting. Now it's 87. Hasn't been, it couldn't get above 87. Couldn't get above 87. Couldn't. Got above, came right back in, got above. 87 matters. So what do? You'd be like, okay, volume increasing, XLB having a big day on Friday. You want to set an alert. Whatever software you're using, go into alerts. You have CF on there, and you basically say, okay, just give me a call when it crosses above 87. Not going to trade it yet, but it's important. It's something I want to keep an eye on. This is how you capture great moves at the beginning of the move because you're prepared. CF is not bullish yet. Basic materials, not bullish yet, but something is changing. And that's why we do this every single night. We understand the flow, but has anything different happened yesterday that should make me want to take a look? And that's what came up in basic materials yesterday for our community. And we discussed this on our Saturday call. So set that alert for 87. If it gets up there, pull it up, then take a look at the rest of the basic material group and say, you know what? There's something going on. Have a list of stocks in basic materials and start to pay attention. How many of those stocks might be doing the same thing? Oh my gosh, look at this. Big breakout, monster volume. Maybe I need to start paying attention to this group, even though the majority of them are bearish at the moment. So hopefully this is stuff that you can use and structure your day, both from a game plan, what I'm looking to trade today and this week, from a tracking journal, what might not be a trade right now, but maybe later in the week. How do I find the difference between stocks that are in tomorrow's game plan versus stocks that might go into the tracking journal? How do I take a look at the market so it's structured? We talk about that today as well, but let's actually finish up over here.